Today we're taking a closer look at the Sportin Waves Gel Pomade. This is a product that's been a staple in many households, including ours, for generations. It's specifically designed for ethnic hair and does an excellent job of helping us maintain and enhance wave patterns. The pomade itself has a lightweight gel consistency that's easy to work with. It doesn't feel greasy or heavy, and it applies smoothly without clumping. A little goes a long way, which makes this 3.5-ounce jar last quite a while. One of the standout features of this product is how well it works when paired with a consistent brushing routine. It helps define waves quickly and gives hair a clean, polished look. For us, it's been a game changer in maintaining a stylish appearance with minimal effort. We've also found that it holds up well throughout the day, whether you're headed to work, school, or just running errands. Sportin Waves keeps your hair looking sharp without needing constant touch-ups. If you're new to wave pomades, this is a great product to start with. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives excellent results when combined with regular brushing. And for those of us who've been using it for years, it's a reliable go-to for keeping waves in check. Overall, Sportin Waves Gel Pomade has earned its place as a trusted product in our grooming routines. It delivers on its promises and continues to be a favorite in our family.